All right, welcome to week 9 of Information Technology 2. Today we are going to look at tools used in programming. Actually, programming tools are softwares, or we can say utilities that assist developers in writing their code, also testing and debugging the code. At the same time, these tools can also help them in maintaining the software in general. These tools can streamline development process, improve the efficiency, and ensure quality of the system. So we are going to look at common tools that are used in programming. These tools include integrated development environment, that is the IDEs. These are like the example of Visual Studio, Eclipse, or IntGel IDEA that combines the code editor, compiler, and debugger in a single platform. We also have text editors, for example, like the basic text editors like the Sublime text editor, the Notepad++. These are also tools that are used for writing codes. We also have the compilers. These convert source code written in high-level language into machine-readable language. We have example of GCC for C programming language, and we also have JavaC for Java programming language. These are softwares that are used to convert high-level language into low-level language. Then we also have the debuggers, which helps to identify and fix problems or bugs. We can call them errors. Example, we have the GDB, we have the Visual Studio Debugger. We also have version control system tools like the JIT. We also have the manage code version. Then we also have building tools like, for example, automated compiling, testing and deployment tasks. Example, we have the Gradle. We also have testing tools. We also have database management system, for example, MySQL and Oracle database system. We also have profilers, which measures the performance of an application by identifying the bottleneck of it. So let's look at system documentation. System documentation refers to as a comprehensive set of written document or material that describe a system design, functionality, architecture, and usage. It's essential for developer, users, and also stakeholders to understand and work with the system documentation. These documentation are key components of a system documentation include the input, processing output, and the access mode. In documentation, we have internal documentation and external documentation. Internal documentation refers to the internal comments or documents that are written within the source code, which will enable another or external developer to read and understand the codes or the function of the codes. External documentation are also written documents that are attached with the software, which serve as a user manual. Let's look at the standard for system documentation. The standard ensures consistency, clarity, and quality across documentation. Some commonly used standards include the IEEE, which is Software Test Documentation Standard. We also have the ISO, that is the International Standard Organization. We have the W3C guidelines, that is the one from which deals with the CSS HTML. We have also UML, that is Unified Modeling Language. This standard helps to ensure that the documentation is clear, useful, and comprehensive for developers and users to use. System documentation serves a variety of important purposes in development, deployment, and maintenance of a software and IT systems. So we are going to look at some advantages, or we are going to look at some uses of the system documentation. One of it is that it facilitates system understanding, which makes the users to have deep understanding on how the system architecture, the system components all work together. Aids in development, which guide the developers in developing the system. Support maintenance and troubleshooting, enable development, deployment, and installation of a system. Also assist user training and support. It ensures compliances and security. It also helps with audit and review, and it also improves collaboration, which facilitates communication between or across functional team and onboarding of new members to the system. So this marks the end of our today's class, which will look at system documentation. The uses of system documentation are vast and touch many aspects of our system development or system lifecycle, from developers to the development and the maintenance of the system. Proper documentation enhances communication and provide transparency to ensure that systems are efficient, secured, and adaptable. It benefits developers, at the same time they benefit users, administrators, and stakeholders of the system by contributing to the overall success and long life of the system.